Vikings didn't actually have horns on their helmets.
Ostriches don't really stick their heads in the sand.
Peanut is not enough. And a real John Deere is actually real affordable.
You learn something new every day. The surprisingly affordable John Deere E-Series tractors. Now you can own America's tractor for just $99 a month. Learn more at your John Deere dealer.
Have you or someone you love been prescribed Invokana for type 2 diabetes and had or need a leg, foot, or toe amputated? You may be entitled to compensation. Final results from 2 large clinical trials show the leg and foot amputations, mostly affecting the toes, occurred about twice as often.
Drink your coffee before it gets cold with the water.
What is this video about?
Hurricane Irma destroy Disney World? Fear's famous theme park could be flattened. Hurricane Irma is set to cause carnage when it makes landfall later this week, and there are fears it could obliterate Disney World. The huge Category 4 storm is currently heading towards the Caribbean and is on track to hit Puerto Rico and the U.S. state of Florida. A state of emergency has now been declared in Florida, with its governor Rick urging residents to brace themselves. And there are now fears the hugely popular Disney World theme park in Orlando could be hit. Numerous worried people have taken to social media to say they have canceled trips to the resort over Irma. One person wrote, "Have to cancel Walt Disney World because of Hurricane Irma.
But Disney gives you
I just
refunds.
packed and everything. Heartbroken." Another commented on Twitter, "Nervously watching Irma's speed toward my Disney World trip." Although Disney has yet to comment on any emergency procedures it has in place, the resort could be forced to close if the weather conditions become too dangerous. In 2016, it was forced to offer refunds for canceled trips when Hurricane Matthew battered Florida. Elsewhere,
Look, the family plans to go to Disney World despite. That's stupid because then they miss out.
Changes to the schedule in a bid to avoid Irma.
That is.
That robot sounds dumb.
People, you probably see some of them who are out in the bars still making a big night of it and having a hoot. And granted, we're in a place right now that is not a mandatory evacuation area. We're 27 feet above sea level. Further down is when you start to get into what is called Zone A and Zone B. That's where you have a mandatory evacuation order. Essentially, everything below 15 feet above sea level is evacuation zone, mandatory evacuation zone, because there's a great likelihood that that will end up underwater. Also, mobile homes, mandatory evacuations for those, because we're going to have a tremendous wind event that'll start here about 2 o'clock tomorrow. First with
Getting a little
tropical
cold.
storm force winds around 2. Then as you get them to about 8 o'clock, we're going to start to see the hurricane force winds. The hard part is they're going to last for 9 hours. That's according to local authorities. That's the information that they're going on.
9
Structures
hours?
like mobile homes are going to have a hard time holding together as they get battered and battered and battered by those winds. After the wind event is over, that's when things continue to get tricky because the storm surge will move in. It can bring the water as much as 10 feet over normal levels, and then you have waves on top of that. That's why you have the limit set at 15 feet above sea level. Everything below that is mandatory evacuation. And you still have people on the other side of Tampa Bay. You have people in those low-lying areas who, according to the authorities out here, aren't respecting the orders, and they're not leaving. Well, the sheriff here has made it very clear. If you make the decision not to leave, no one's going to arrest you for breaking the law, but also no one is going to show up and save you when it gets really bad.
Did you hear?
I don't blame them. They told you what to do. They gave you shelter if you're too poor to go.
Anyone who's made a bad decision. So they're urging people now while it's relatively calm, if you're still home, if you're doubting your decision to stick around the house, now's a good time to make a break for it. Mike?
When the meteorologist said that the storm was shifting to the west and that Tampa could get a direct shot, did you notice people there getting more tense, really turning up the intensity, if you will?